Are you looking for quick and convenient solutions that can take care of your vehicle's needs with the click of a button? We have you covered. DieHard has joined forces with Amazon, featuring new smart and powerful products shipped right to your doorstep. Today, we'll meet an automotive enthusiast who's going to show us how to check, connect, and charge up all at once using some of his favorite DieHard products.
Hi, I'm John. Welcome to my home. We're a large family and we have multiple vehicles. We utilize them all on a regular basis, and right now we're charging our family's SUV with our DieHard Smart Charger and Maintainer. And over here we have my pride and joy. It's a Honda CB750. My father-in-law was nice enough to restore this for me. I love taking it out on the weekends. And one of the great things about DieHard products is that it can be used on a variety of vehicles, so it keeps my bike charged and ready to ride.
The DieHard Charger and Maintainer is compatible with a variety of things from cars to jet skis, making your charging experience quick and stress-free.
I was just about to check on my car's battery using the DieHard Smart App. Come check it out.
With the DieHard Smart App, you can check the status of the battery and start or stop charging it from your phone or tablet without even being near your vehicle.
So once I know that my battery's at 100%, I simply turn it off and it goes straight into maintenance mode, giving me peace of mind. I never have to worry about my battery because the Smart Charger and Maintainer does all the work for me. Hey babe, how's it going? Okay. Okay, stay calm, sit tight, I'll be right there. My wife's car battery just died, so I'll be to the rescue. Let's go for a ride and I'll show you another one of my favorite DieHard toys. Life can be very unpredictable. That's why I always have my jump starter with me.
The jump starter from DieHard may be small in size, but it packs a punch and power. With up to 20 jump starts per charge and an easy-to-read LCD screen. This pocket-sized charger will have you cranked up and back on the road in no time.
Perfect. All right, babe, we're definitely gonna go home and order you one of these now.
Yes, please.
Thanks for hanging out with me today, guys. Now that you know a little bit more about keeping your car batteries connected and charged, we're gonna go inside and do some online shopping. Bye. Bye.
Want to browse and shop some of DieHard's latest innovative products? Simply log on to amazon.com/DieHard or go to designingspaces.tv. You can go to these websites to learn more about the participants on this edition of Designing Spaces.